Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about Stripe versus Razorpay. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, Stripe is a versatile payment gateway platform known for its global reach, developer-friendly APIs, and robust features tailored for businesses of all sizes. It enables businesses to accept payments in over 135 currencies and offers advanced subscription management tools, making it ideal for companies looking to scale internationally while managing recurring revenue streams. Stripe supports payments in over 135 currencies, facilitating transactions worldwide. It provides extensive APIs and documentation for seamless integration and customization. Advanced tools for managing recurring payments and subscription models are also available. Additionally, Stripe is PCI DSS compliant with additional security features like 2FA and Radar, which are for fraud detection. It is compatible with major e-commerce platforms and third-party services, enhancing versatility. Stripe Elements allows businesses to create branded, customizable checkout experiences. The pricing is transparent, typically around 2.9% at 0.30 cents per successful charge, and there are no setup or monthly fees, making it suitable for startups and growing businesses. Strengths of Stripe includes its flexible infrastructure, supporting businesses of all sizes from startups to enterprise-level operations. Continual updates and new updates features keep Stripe at the forefront of payment processing technology. Its excellent developer tools and APIs empower businesses to tailor payment solutions to their specific needs. On the other hand, Razorpay initially focused on the Indian market and has since expanded to offer comprehensive payment solutions globally. It is particularly strong in the Indian subcontinent, providing businesses with a user-friendly interface, robust APIs, and a variety of payment options, including credit or debit cards, net banking UPI, and popular wallets like Paytm. Razorpay has a deep understanding of Indian payment preferences and compliance requirements. Its comprehensive suite includes a payment gateway, subscription billing, international payments, and more. Seamless integration with Indian e-commerce platforms such as Magento and OpenCart is tailored for local businesses. The user-friendly dashboard offers detailed analytics transcripts and reporting tools for transaction tracking and performance analysis. Robust APIs and SDKs facilitate the smooth integration of payment solutions into websites and applications. Razorpay supports a wide range of payment methods and offers competitive transaction fees, with customizable pricing plans available for larger enterprises. Strengths of Razorpay includes its strong foothold and specialized solutions for businesses and targeting Indian customers. The simple set of processes and intuitive interface are suitable for quick deployment of payment solutions. Choosing between Stripe and Razorpay depends largely on the specific needs and context of your business. Stripe excels in its global reach, developer-friendly approach, and extensive integrations, making it suitable for businesses aiming for international scalability and customization. On the other hand, Razorpay offers a strong presence in the Indian market, along with a comprehensive payment suite and tailored solutions for local businesses. Ultimately, businesses should evaluate factors such as geographical focus, payment methods, pricing structure, and integration capabilities to determine which platforms aligns best with their operational requirements and growth objectives. So that's basically all about Stripe versus Razorpay. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.